Hi, I'm Phil Hodson. I'm the CEO of Calix Limited. Some of our customers have expressed some concern about our supply chain with the current coronavirus issue, and I'm broadcasting to you from my camper van, which is the new Calix office for me, and this is certainly the new normal for a lot of us. But what I want to do is assure our customers that we do have a robust supply chain, and that supply chain goes all the way back to our mine. We do have a raw ore mine in Myrtle Springs in South Australia. I'll just get a little map of Australia to show you where that is. So that mine is where we get our raw ore. Our raw ore is an ore called magnesite. You can see the seams of it here. It's a white coloured rock. And basically we pull off the overburden in between those white coloured seams, and those seams are basically brought to ground. You can see here the slope from which the raw ore is taken, and then a better picture here of perhaps the stockpiles we have on our mine site. So typically we have an average of around 6 months of stock on our mine site of our raw ore material. That material is transferred to a station just outside of Adelaide, and again we've got another month worth of stock that typically we have sitting on the ground there, and then that's transferred across to our manufacturing facility in Bacchus Marsh in Victoria. At that facility we have a kiln. We have our own kiln which takes the raw ore and produces magnesium oxide, and the combination of ore and the magnesium oxide we produce gives us about 3 months worth of stock on the ground. There's a picture there of all of that magnesium oxide sitting in bulk bags waiting to be transferred or made into magnesium hydroxide slurries. That's a picture there of a typical plant that makes magnesium hydroxide slurries, and we've got one of those at Bacchus Marsh, and we've also got one of those up in Nerang on the Gold Coast, so up there as well. So overall Calix has many months of redundancy in its supply chain, not only the raw ore material itself from the mine and our stockpiles, but also of course the magnesium oxide that we make through our own facility, and the magnesium hydroxide which we can obviously make in several facilities and source from those facilities to get to our customers. So rest assured our supply chain is secure, and we're here to service our customers through this very difficult time.